Hello Year 10, this is Mrs Oldacre. Today I'm going to be recapping the best way to structure and answer Part 4 questions on the GCSE RS exam. This is relevant to Paper 1, which is the Christianity and Sikhism paper, and particularly these Part 4 questions will be found in the beliefs section of that paper. So it's going to be found in that first question that you answer on the Christianity paper and the first question that you answer in the Sikhism paper. And it will always follow a set structure, and that structure is found in the yellow box. So it says, explain 2 Sikh or Christian beliefs or teachings about something that you have learnt. It also asks you to refer to sacred writings or another source of Christian or Sikh belief and teaching in your answer. And these Part 4 questions are always worth 5 marks. So if we have a look at the blue box here, this gives you a breakdown of how the examiner would award those marks to you. So it would require you to write about one of the beliefs, first of all, giving a simple explanation, that would give you 1 mark, or giving a detailed explanation of that first belief or teaching, that would get you 2 marks. Then you'd need to refer to the second belief or teaching, and again, it's the same. Simple explanation is 1 mark, detailed explanation is 2 marks. And then to get that 5th and final mark in these answers, you would need to refer to relevant or accurate sacred writing or another source of authority from Christianity or from Sikhism. So in terms of that other source of authority, you could possibly refer to the Bible or the Apostles' Creed. You may refer to the Guru Granth Sahib. You might refer to someone like Pope Francis as head of the Roman Catholic Church. You could refer to the Rehat of the Khalsa, that Sikhs, a set of Sikh rules that Sikhs may follow once they have taken Amrit. Or you may refer to one of the Gurus, something they did or something they said. It's really important that you make that link, that direct link from your answer to that sacred writing or that source of authority. It's one of the really common things that students forget to add. They're really good answer explaining that belief and that teaching, and then they forget just to ensure that they've referred to sacred writing or another source of authority. So if you were answering the question, there's 2 ways in which you could do it. First of all, you could use 1 Christian teaching or 1 Christian belief about whatever that may be about is, and then you explain it. Another Christian belief or another Christian teaching about, and then explain it. And then the third part, you must say where that belief or teaching is shown. So making a reference to the Bible or the Apostles' Creed or the Guru Granth Sahib or a Guru. So this is shown in the and where it says. It's really important that you explain what that sacred writing says, but also where it is found. So you don't need to know specifically, exactly which chapter and verse it's found in, but you do need to be aware of where and how that sacred writing is. So in the Bible it says, or Guru Nanak said, or Pope Francis said, or it says in the Apostles' Creed, and then you go on to explain that. Another way you might choose to answer that question again is to number bullet points. So you bullet point number 1, and then you write in a paragraph explaining and detailing. So Sikhs believe, or this is what they believe. What does this mean? This means, and you explain that to get that extra mark. And then number 2, your second paragraph to explain, Sikhs believe this means. So you're going on to explain it. And again, you make reference to a sacred writing or source of authority. This is shown in the Bible, this is shown in the Gorgon Sod, this is shown in the Apostles' Creed, where it says. Hopefully, when you look at some of the questions that we've set for you, you will be able to use this structure to help you achieve those 5 marks. Thank you.